Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Proton VPN on Android TV. So first things first, we have to get the application loaded. Now to get the application, just go to apps and then go to your browser of choice. I'm using Google. I'm going to search for Proton VPN. So I'll just type in Proton and I have the solution there. So I'm going to use the one from play.google.com. That's the link you want. Click on that link and you have the app installation page loaded. So in this case, I have the app already downloaded. So what I see is open, but in your case, you see install. If you do not have this app, click on install and you'll be able to have this app downloaded and installed to your app library directly. You should take a couple of seconds, and when you're done, open the app. So you just saw me click open and the app is loading. Now I'm asked to sign in. So to do this, you need to create this account. Create your Proton VPN account on your Android device or your smartphone rather. So use your Android smartphone to create this account. When you have a Proton VPN app on your phone, navigate to the settings they provide and create the account. You're going to link this account to the phone, to the TV, from the phone to the TV, using this link you find down here. So you're going to go to protonvpn.com/sign up. When you have this and the account is created, come over to the Android TV and you're going to be signing in with the sign in button. So I've clicked the sign in button and now that I'm being prompted to go to protonvpn.com/TV on my mobile device or computer from which I have that application installed and my account created. So when you go there, you're going to find a code. That code is going to expire in 4 minutes. So enter that code on that device. So if you have that account signed in on your phone, just go to the protonvpn.com/TV, that website on your phone, and you're going to type in the code you see on the screen of your Android TV. So if you're there already, type in that code. I can have my code as PK. I'm currently typing in PKSQ and I'm typing on the device which I have my Proton VPN account signed in on the app on the smartphone or Android smartphone. So I'm typing PKSQ KF S2. So this is the link, and when you finish typing in and confirm the code, you'll see an automatic acceptance on the TV. So your Android TV will allow you access the Proton VPN, and all this is coming from the account on your smartphone or your Android smartphone. So when you get to this page, you could choose whatever country you wish. This app allows you to access content to which you may be restricted. Proton VPN has a lot of free servers. Even the Canadian servers are free, the United States servers are free. If you choose maybe the United States server and you click on it, you're going to find that it is free. You can actually click on it and connect to that server. So just clicking on connect, you see Proton VPN wants to set up a VPN connection and it will allow you to monitor network traffic. Because we trust the app source, you click on OK and this VPN will connect. Give it a few seconds and ensure you have very stable internet connection. That will allow you to use a VPN and success. Now that's how you use a Proton VPN. If you found this information valuable and you got something from this video, hit the like button. I want you to subscribe to the channel for tutorials, teachings, and perks just like this one.